Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you are bored of wearing your hair open just like me for all the parties and wedding functions, then this video is the one for you. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a Dutch fishtail braid hairstyle which you can wear for a party or for a wedding function. This hairstyle can also go with Indian as well as Western outfits. So let's get started. Before I show the hairstyle on myself, let me just show it first on a dummy so you can see clearly how we are going to be making the braid. If you know how to make a regular fishtail braid, the Dutch fishtail is very similar to it. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to make a video on a regular fishtail braid. Right, now let's get started. First, divide the hair into two equal halves. Take one small section from the top inner side of one of the halves. Take it over the section and cross it underneath and merge it into the opposite section. Now do the same thing from the other section. Taking a small section from the top inner side and taking it over and crossing it underneath to merge it into the opposite section. Now do the same from the other section, taking a small section from the top inner side and taking it over and crossing it underneath to merge it into the opposite section. Now you should get a crisscross in the middle and two sections of hair. Repeat the process again, taking small sections from the top of one section and taking it over, crossing it underneath and merging it into the opposite section. Keep alternating the sections you are working with to create the crisscross pattern at the bottom. You would need to keep the small sections of the same thickness so the braid is even and two bigger sections remain of equal thickness. Continue braiding it in this fashion till the end and secure it with a band. Once you finish braiding, slightly tug and pinch on the sections to loosen the hair to create volume in the braid. Loosen the hair strands on either side of the braid to create a more glam and messy look. So there's your Dutch fishtail braid. Don't worry too much if you don't get it perfect the first time. Once you practice it a little, you will get the hang of it. Let's now move on to the French style Dutch fishtail braid, which is a slightly modified version of this braid. I'm starting with fully dried hair and I'm brushing it to remove any tangles. You can also use a volumizing mousse on the crown area if you want to add a little volume. Start by creating a zigzag parting on the side. You can also create a straight parting, but I personally prefer the zigzag one. You can also add hair extensions if you want a longer braid. Take a small section of hair about 2 inches long and 1 centimeter wide in the front. And as we did with the ponytail on the dummy, divide it into two equal halves. Take a small section of hair from this section at the back and take it over and cross it underneath, merging it into the front section. Now do the same from the front section, taking a small section and crossing it underneath and merging it into the back section. Now you get that crisscross in the middle and two main sections of the braid. Now I am repeating the same process with the back section, taking a small section from the outer corner and passing it underneath to the front section. But before we move on to the next step, we are going to take a small strand of hair from the head and pass it underneath, adding it into the front section. Now we will take a small section from the front hair and take it underneath and add it into the back section. Again, we will pick a small section of hair from the front and add it into the back section, just the way we do with the French braid. So every time we take a small section and take it underneath to add it to the opposite section, we will add a section of hair from the head to it. Remember, you will always have two main sections of the braid of equal thickness. Keep repeating this process and hold your strands tight and keep it close to the head so the braid doesn't become loose. Once you braid it till the side of your forehead, you can start adding sections from the hair on the other side. First, take a small section of hair from the back section and bring it underneath and merge it into your front section. Then I bring my hand from behind and using my index finger, I pick my hair in a circular motion around my head and bring this section underneath the back section and add it into my front section. In the front, we will continue to do the same as we did earlier, taking a small section and taking it underneath before adding it into the back section. Now continue the braid by adding sections from the other side into the braid. You can choose to either keep the braid over your ear or behind the ear. Once all the hair is in the braid, continue braiding the regular Dutch fishtail braid till the end. Now we need to pull the braid to give a more fuller and thick look. Slightly pinch and pull the outer half of each loop. Be careful not to pull on the entire loop so you maintain the structure of the braid. Just loosen the outer edges a little. Don't worry if you have loose hair ends popping out of the braid because it adds to the messy braid look. I like to leave small strands of hair on the sides of my forehead to give it a more glam look. I've also curled them to give it a more messy feel. And that's the finished look, and I hope you enjoyed watching this hairstyle. Please like and share this video with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to turn the notifications on. I will be waiting for your comments and suggestions. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Until then, bye bye.